when we go through initiation, we're getting called to a newer version of ourselves. Whenever there's growth, there's always the discomfort associated with growing pains, right? Well, normally this initiation is we're facing some sort of fear. We're facing some sort of like resistance, like in your case, Miriam, you're resisting right now leaving the house,
Yes.
or yeah, yeah. So this is your initiation, and right now you're facing your fears. You're facing your fears every day, like as you're getting rid of things, as you're decluttering, you're making big decisions, and you're doing it, but with each stage, you're facing some big emotions. And when you do that, when you face those emotions and experience them and get to the other side of them, you're releasing. You're
Yeah.
releasing that stuff. Like when
And
you
it's,
decluttered the room.
yeah. And it's not just, so for people who maybe are not ready to understand it, like on the woo level, it's like, there's things that I was getting rid of that represented parts of me that, okay, so I'm going to not do it with my art so much, but like, it's kind of like when you get rid of your maternity clothes, you're saying to the universe, I'm never having a baby again. So there were certain things I was getting rid of, certain art materials I was getting rid of, certain books I was getting rid of. And each time I got rid of them, I was saying, this is not a part of who I am anymore. That was huge.
That's
Hugely,
huge.
like hugely powerful. And then also having this idea, well, I can't take it with me to the next phase of my life, so therefore I'm letting go, because moving on to this next phase is more important to me than holding on to this past.